Hey everyone, welcome to the Coding Zoo. If this is your first time joining, my name is Shane and this is the HTML building block series. We're on lesson number 14. We're going to cover how to create different types of lists. We're going to create an unordered list, we're going to create a ordered list, and we're going to create description list. We're also going to show you how to create different styles of those lists. If that sounds interesting to you, hey, stick around. We're going to jump right in. All right, so hey, let's get started. Whoa, there's a lot of noise around here. We just had a washing machine delivered, so I think it has to be tested and ran once or twice before it's done. So if you hear that washing machine, hopefully you won't. Hopefully I did my job and edited it out, but if you do hear it, my apologies. Hey, so let's jump in. If you're new to the channel, I usually start out with this base template. You can create this template by doing the first lesson in the video series. You can also just pause the video and copy what you see on the screen. I definitely recommend that you do pause the video and code what I code as I code it, so you'll get used to it and you'll remember the actual tag. You'll remember the actual tags to use. If you don't have time for that, you can find the code to download later at thecodingzoo.com, thecodingzoo.com on the lessons page. It's usually out there within a week or two. Let's go ahead and jump in. There are different ways to create lists in HTML. Let's start with what's called an ordered list. So an ordered list has the element OL, stands for ordered list. So let's go ahead and create an ordered list. All right, now in my ordered list, I want to have list items. So think about a task list or a grocery list. That's what we're creating. We're creating lists of data, right? So I want to create a line item, so that's LI. It's a line item in my ordered list. I'm going to make a list of books. How about The Lord of the Rings? That's a great book. I think I really hear that washing machine now. It's kicking in. So hopefully I can get rid of that sound. If not, hey, sorry guys. Okay. So now let's go ahead and create a couple more entries. Let's see, how about the Bible? And let's put one more. How about, it's not really a book, but it's a series, Wheel of Time series. Okay, I'm going to press Control S to save. I'm in Visual Studio Code. I moved out of Notepad++. It's a free program, check it out, download it, it's really nice. I'm going to click refresh, and there's my ordered list. Now, ordered list, it starts with numbers, right? That's why it's called ordered list. Now, I can change this up a little bit. I can change it to be something else besides 1, 2, 3. All right, so I'm going to add an element or type selector for ordered list, and I'm going to do a list style type, and let's do upper, how about Roman numerals? Save it, click refresh. Hey, you can use Roman numerals. What else can you use? How about, let's try a different one. How about upper alpha? Wonder what that does. Click refresh, ABC. Pretty cool. All right, so you can actually, this is an ordered list. You'll notice it uses items that are in order, ABC, 1, 2, 3, Roman numerals. That's why it's called an ordered list. All right, so let's jump over and create a unordered list. So ordered list is OL element. So let's try UL, ordered list, and then unordered list. Okay, I'm gonna do a line item. Let's do cameras, Canon 80D. Let's do another line item. How about Canon 5D Mark 4. Let's save it. Click refresh. There we go. So we have an unordered list. It just has these round circles. Now we can also change the style to be something else than a circle. Let's try that out. Another element or type selector for unordered list. Do list style types again. Let's do disk. What is disk? I think I'm on disk. Yep, I'm on disk. Let's do, how about circle? Save it, refresh, there we go. It's circle. much like the disc, but it's not filled in. How about square? Refresh. There you go, square. So this is an unordered list. You can change the styling on it, of course. Pretty neat. Now we have one more list. It's called a description list. Let's create that real quick. And that'll be the end of our lesson today. 3 types of list: ordered list, unordered list, and description list. All right, let's create a description list. Description list. What do you think it starts with? How about DL? And let's add a description term, DT. Let's add some names. How about Bella? Okay. Now after that DT, I'm going to go down and type in ADD. That's a description, I guess. It's a terms description. Let's put my dog. I go down and add 2 more. Type that real quick. DT and Nick, and 1 more, DT, Gabrielle. Let's go up and add a description to the term for Nick, DD, and my son. Let's go down, add a description for Gabrielle, and my daughter. All right, let's save it. Let's click refresh. Let's see what happens. There we go. So I created a description list. It has a list of items: Bella, Nick, Gabrielle, and then I have a description tabbed out for each one of those items. That's what's called a description list. So you have an ordered list. You can change the styles to be numbers, Roman numerals, or letters. And then we have an unordered list. You can change it to be square, circle, or disc. And then we have a description list, and you have a description term and a description. So pretty simple, pretty neat. You can also change these up to not have any styles, and you can manipulate them, put colors around them, put a button around them. You can do all kinds of things with list. A lot of navigation menus are created with list. So there's different ways of using them and styling them differently. So I hope that makes sense. That's our lesson for today. We have ordered list, unordered list, and descriptions list. If you have any questions, leave a message below. I hope you liked the video. If you did, click like. If you didn't like it, hey, click dislike and then tell me why. Leave a message below. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. We have 1 or 2 videos a week. Check out thecodingzoo.com. You can see a list of all our videos and what it's about. Again, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope to see you next time. See ya.